Alright guys, so here's my second technique that I wanted to show you guys. You're just going to put your hair up in a tight ponytail however you want it. Grab your cashmere hair, grab the comb. Those of you who saw my last video know how to do this. If not, I'll show you again. Take your other elastic, keep it around your wrist. Grab the elastic that's closest to the base of your head. You're gonna pull it out. Put your 2 fingers through just like that. Get your comb, put it through. You're gonna grab your other elastic and you're just gonna secure it by wrapping it around both the comb and your ponytail. All right, there we have it. Flip that hair. You will grab your wraparound piece, attach it to the Velcro on the other side, let it hang. You're gonna grab whatever hair tie you wanna use. I'm gonna use this one. It is important to use a thicker one because you're going to wanna hide the Velcro. So you wanna find something that's as thick or thicker than this so that you can hide it. Wrap it around the Velcro. Last thing, if you have any pieces in the back that need to be put away, do that with your bobby pin. And there you have it. It looks super natural. That's my second technique, you guys.